Yee! Welcome to Ngagambar channel. Today, I want to draw and coloring ice cream. Let's go. Okay, first, creating an ice cream outline. Choose black. Now, make ice cream cone. Then now make the ice cream. Okay, now make an outline pattern like a waffle inside the cone. Okay, done. And now I'm going to make 3 more, because I'm going to make 4 flavors of ice cream. Okay, then 2 more to make. Now, for the last ice cream. Let's cheer up. Yeah, it's done. I made 4 outlines for the ice cream. How about you? Okay, now time for coloring. Let's go. For the first ice cream, I will make vanilla flavor. Now choose orange to fill the ice cream cone. Okay, now fill the ice cream with vanilla color. Now, choose vanilla color. vanilla ice cream is done. Okay, then the second ice cream, I will make chocolate flavor. I will use yellow to color in the cone. Now use brown color to fill the ice cream to make chocolate flavor. Coloring the chocolate ice cream is done. Okay, next make strawberry ice cream. Now, fill the cone with purple color. Okay, now use light pink color to fill the ice cream. Done, the strawberry ice cream is sweet. And for the last one, I'll make the mixed flavor. Vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. Okay, now fill the cone with turquoise color. Now let's fill the bottom layer of the ice cream with vanilla flavor. Choose vanilla color. Okay, now for the second layer, chocolate flavor. Fill with brown color. Now for the last step, strawberry flavor. Fill the top layer with light pink color. Yeah, it's done. Succeed. I've made 4 ice cream in different flavors. I really like ice cream, very delicious. Okay, see you in the next video.